Hello, my name is Blair, your science teacher. Welcome to Science is Cool. Today we will learn about managing your desktop. Our aim is to customize our desktop elements or environment. I will teach you how to change desktop backgrounds, change desktop themes, change icon sizes, and change our screen resolution.
We are all familiar with our desktop environment in Microsoft Windows OS. We have our desktop background, programs or application icons, folder icons, and maybe you have some file icons too. This is the same with our Linux desktop. In both Linux and Windows, we have also the dock or the taskbar at the bottom mostly. This includes our start menu and notification area. But in Windows 11 OS, our start menu button and dock or taskbar is at the bottom center, while notification is separated at the bottom right corner. For Linux, it depends on the distro that you are using. Let's just focus on Linux Pop OS, which is mostly ideal for gamers, students, and developers. This is because it is easy to navigate and customize, and at the same time, I've been using this as my daily driver. Our Linux Pop OS dock or taskbar is located at the center bottom, while our notification is located at the upper right corner, while our time and date at the center top, and additional buttons are workspaces and applications, and it is located at the left top corner. Remember that the desktop is made up of several elements including the startup button, desktop icons, desktop background, the taskbar or the dock, time and date, and the notification area. Now let's change the desktop background. Let's do this from our desktop for easier access. Let's use the mouse or the trackpad to navigate this. First, let's right-click the empty area on the desktop for Microsoft Windows OS. Then, click Personalize. Then, click Desktop Background. And the final step is to select your desktop background. For Linux Pop OS, right-click the empty area on your desktop and click Change Background. Then, Desktop Background Settings. You can now select your desired desktop background. Now let's try to change the desktop background with a desired picture. Let's click the Start menu button and click the picture folder or your desired folder where your picture or photo is located. That's for Windows. For Linux, go to Home icon and click the picture folder or your desired folder where your picture or photo is located too. Second step, if you already locate your desired picture or photo in both Linux or Windows, right-click the picture to be used as a desktop background. Then select Set as Desktop Background for Windows OS. For Linux Pop OS, select as Wallpaper as your background. Now let's change your desktop themes. For Windows OS, right-click the empty area on your desktop and click Personalize. After you click on any of the themes, and close the windows, and it will take effect immediately. For the Linux Pop OS, go to your settings via the upper right notification area and click Settings. Then click Scroll towards Desktop Settings. Then after, click Appearance and select your desired theme. If you are an advanced user in MS Windows or Linux, you can change any appearance you want. Now, let's try to change the icon size. For Microsoft Windows OS, right-click the empty area on your desktop and click View, and select your desired size icon. For your Linux Pop OS, right-click the empty area on your desktop and click Desktop Icon Settings, and select your desired size desktop icons from Tiny, Small, Standard, and Large. Now let's try to change the screen resolution. Right-click the empty area on your desktop and click Screen Resolution for Windows. And for Linux, right-click the empty area on your desktop and click Display Settings. Now for Windows, click the desired screen resolution by the drop-down menu and adjust the slider to the desired display resolution and click OK. Now for Linux Pop OS, click in the built-in display menu. Look for the resolution and click the drop-down menu and adjust the slider for your desired display resolution and click it. It will take effect as soon as you click it. Here's some sort of review. The taskbar in Windows is composed of a Start menu button, Quick Launch application icon, notification area, and your time and date. The taskbar in Linux Pop OS is located at the top. They call it Top Bar. It is composed with your notification area and time and date, and also your work paces and application button, while the taskbar below is called the dock. The dock is composed of your quick launch application icons. You can also add program icons into your taskbar in Windows OS and taskbar dock into your Linux Pop OS. Here's how. For Windows OS, click the Start menu button and search for the program, and right-click the application icon and select the Pin to Taskbar. For Linux Pop OS, click the Start Dock icon and search for the program, and right-click the application icon and select Pin to Dash. How to remove a program icon from the taskbar or quick launcher in Microsoft Windows OS. Proceed to the quick launcher application icon and right-click the application icon and unpin this program from the taskbar. For Linux Pop OS, it is also the same with Windows. Proceed to the Dock application icon and right-click the application icon and select Remove from Favorites.
Congratulations! You now have a great knowledge in both Linux and Windows operating system. I hope you enjoy this fascinating video today. I will create more contents about general science, astronomy, physics, space, computers, and many more. I'm Blair, your science teacher, saying bye for now. Catch another episode of Science is Cool next time as we ponder and continue the search for knowledge. And remember that science means knowing, because science is cool. Ciao!